Before you begin hanging wallpaper, you'll want to establish a plumb line adjacent to a corner. The paper itself is cut an inch or so longer than the vertical dimension we're covering, so it can be cut top and bottom. This particular paper specifies that the glue be applied to the wall rather than the paper before hanging. Because there's a pattern on this paper, we have to match up the pattern for each new piece. We line it up and mark the point where the top meets the ceiling so we can cut it to the proper length. Rolling the paper backwards before you hang it will allow it to lay more flat on the wall. As we hang each new piece, we remove any bubbles with a wallpaper smoothing tool and overlap the seams by a little less than 1/8 of an inch. This will eliminate any gaps if the wallpaper shrinks a little bit as the glue dries. We also use the smoothing tool as a straight edge to trim the excess paper along the top and bottom of each piece. This gives the paper a clean, sharp look to complete the installation.